Thanks to my subscriber Vlad Uchoa, who requested for this video. The astonishing problem-solving power of AI. A revolution in results. In an age where technology constantly reshapes our world, artificial intelligence stands out as perhaps the most transformative force of our time. Here's a data-driven look at how AI is solving humanity's greatest challenges. Revolutionizing scientific discovery. The 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry recognized AlphaFold's groundbreaking achievement, solving the 50-year-old protein folding problem. This AI system now provides accurate structures for nearly all known proteins, with the AlphaFold database containing over 214 million protein structure predictions. This massive digital library, 23 terabytes of data, has been integrated into primary biological resources worldwide, fundamentally changing how scientists approach drug discovery and disease research. Medical breakthroughs AI is dramatically accelerating healthcare innovation. In medical education, GPT-4 achieved an average score of 85% on medical licensing exams, ranking in the 92.8th percentile among actual medical students. AI diagnostic systems for diabetic retinopathy have demonstrated 94% sensitivity and 89% specificity, potentially revolutionizing screening programs worldwide. In drug discovery, AI has identified potentially life-saving compounds in days instead of years. When MIT researchers applied machine learning to antibiotic discovery, they discovered Halicin, a powerful new antibiotic that kills many antibiotic-resistant bacteria, after screening over 100 million chemical compounds in just days. Morgan Stanley research suggests AI improvements in drug development could lead to 50 more new therapies over the next decade, a $50 billion opportunity. Engineering and environmental achievements. AI weather forecasting models like GraphCast can now predict conditions up to 10 days in advance with unprecedented accuracy, outperforming traditional gold standard systems while delivering results in under 1 minute. In energy optimization, Google's DeepMind AI reduced data center cooling energy consumption by up to 40%, significantly decreasing both costs and environmental impact. Meanwhile, Waymo's autonomous vehicles have traveled over 25 million miles with approximately 90% fewer insurance claims related to property damage and bodily injuries compared to human drivers. Gaming and problem-solving dominance. AI has conquered domains once thought to require uniquely human intuition. AlphaGo made history by defeating 18-time world champion Lee Sedol in the complex game of Go. Later, OpenAI's Dota 2 AI achieved a staggering 99.4% win rate against human players, winning 7,215 matches while losing only 42. The revolution is only beginning. As AI continues to solve our most challenging problems, its impact on science, healthcare, and society will only accelerate. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.